Rolling start. Unraveling its meaning. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, rolling start. It's a phrase you might have heard in various contexts, and we're here to clarify what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. So, let's get rolling. The term, rolling start, originates from the world of motor racing. In racing, a rolling start means that the race starts while the cars are already in motion, as opposed to starting from a stationary position. This concept has been widely adopted in various scenarios, and understanding its origin will help us appreciate its usage in everyday language. In everyday English, rolling start is used metaphorically. It refers to a project, activity, or process that begins gradually or without a formal kickoff. For instance, if a meeting starts with informal discussions as participants arrive, rather than starting sharply at a scheduled time, you could say it got off to a rolling start. This phrase is particularly useful in casual or semi-formal business contexts. Let's see some examples to understand it better. 1. Our team project had a rolling start. We began discussing ideas over lunch before the official meeting. 2. The conference got off to a rolling start, with early arrivals networking over coffee. These examples highlight how the phrase can be naturally incorporated into various sentences. A common mistake is to confuse a rolling start with an abrupt or sudden beginning. Remember, a rolling start is gradual and often informal, contrasting with a sudden or strictly scheduled commencement. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, rolling start. It's a handy expression that adds flavor to your English, especially in contexts involving beginnings and initiations. Keep practicing, and you'll be rolling with your English skills in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.